Hello family, this is Agape Farm, and today I want to talk about how to start goat farming in Africa. Yes, and maybe wherever you are in Africa, maybe Kenya, Uganda, Nigeria, anywhere in Africa, South Africa, Zimbabwe, all of Africa. So I just want to talk about 5 things that you need to know before starting goat farming. Number 1, do farm visits. That is very, very critical. You need to do farm visits and get to know the nitty gritties of goat farming from the horse's mouth. Yes, to get the real experience. Number 2, I want to talk about the trusted breed supplier. Yes, you want to do farming. Are you doing it for meat or for milk? And which breeds are you considering? For example, if it's about meat, you can do maybe boas, you can do savannas. And remember that we also have the galas, like the ones you're seeing here in the video are galas, except for the one that is blackhead. So the galas are multi-purpose. They do both milk and meat. That's the advantage of gala. So number 3, you need to have food. You need to have food. That's how they will survive. They need to eat. They need to eat and grow, for growth and development. So ensure that before you start that farming, you already know where you'll get that food. Number 4 is shelter. Just make it simple and start and grow. As you continue growing, you will improve on it. And then lastly, I'll talk about medication. There are vaccines that are needed, there are antibiotics. So these are just what you need to know. Just know the medicines and have them in stock. So when you are starting your farming, I will advise that you start with a small number, maybe have 10 females, those are the does, and maybe one buck, a very mature buck that can start the breeding. So just start small, then later on you can grow the numbers to the ones that you desire. Maybe you have 100 of them or 200, according to the land that you have or the size of land that you want to farm on. Why start with this smaller number? Because you'll get to learn in real time, to know the challenges and everything in goat farming. So you can do a piloting phase of maybe 6 months and then introduce the other goats. And in these 6 months, you'll have already found the first kids. Yes, so this is our first stock, pure gala. Yes, these are pure gala. Wamesha acclimatize for a day, wanajua maeneo. Ndio ule boa gala cross, ndio yule pale back blackhead, unaona yeye pale, boa gala cross ndio yule anatoka pale. Haya.